Hey friends, Tux here. I use a lot of power in our house, and power strips are something I'm always having to use. And this is a product I've had before, and actually I had to replace another power strip more recently, and so I wanted to go ahead and show this to you again and mention this is my favorite power strip. Okay, and you guys know I charge a lot of devices. Think of how many like MP3 players I have. Think of how many cameras we have. Think of all the LED lighting. Think of all normal things like cell phones and things, and game controllers and everything else. Like, we use a lot of power. Okay, and this is a really great power strip. Let me show this to you. I'm just gonna make this a real quick video. Open this up here for you. This is available on Amazon. Okay, and it's not that expensive. It was, I think, one of the better values in power strips out of the box. This thing is huge. Okay, great power strip. Loving the super heavy duty cord. It has a nice little on off there. It is grounded, which is really nice. Lots of room for devices, and even a couple like double bin devices. You have them. I have them, that's for sure. Things that require like more than one spot. And it's really frustrating when you have a power strip and you're plugging something in and it's taking up 1.5 plugs worth of space, and then you lose the use of a actual power plug. So this one has a couple of these like double din size plug holes. Okay, so that's really good for charging larger plugs, and then down here we have lots of things for USB. These are smart. Okay, so these are 2.4 amps, and this is really great for charging USB devices. Okay, so just really nice little plug. Lots of flat surface here, mounting screws, holes if you need to mount it. I like using Velcro. Put Velcro here and just Velcro that to the wall, and it works so good. Real thin, lots of power, super heavy duty plug cord. You really can't go wrong. And again, it's not that expensive. So anyway, guys, this isn't a real long video. I just wanted to show this to you. Great little protected ground power strip. It's what we use. I would recommend checking it out. Not real expensive, and the link for this will be right below as always from Amazon. Okay, so you get yours. It's free shipping, not real expensive, and this will help keep you powered up for all the things that you want to do. Okay. All right, friends, any questions, let me know in the comments below or shoot me a message, tuxtoys@gmail.com. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.